Hello friends, my name is Atul Gadam and this video is for 10th standard. Name of content is a trigonometric ratios. In this video, we will study about next sum formulae. For understand this formulae, at first draw a right angled triangle. This one is a right angled triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, here angle B is equals to 90 degree. In the triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree. We know that sum of all angles of triangle means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that is equals to 180 degree. Angle A plus 90 degree plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. This 90 degree is transpose, then angle A plus angle C, that is equals to 180 minus 90 degree, then angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degree. यानी अगर ट्रायंगल ABC में एक एंगल 90 डिग्री का हो तो रिमेनिंग दो एंगल की सम क्या होगी, 90 डिग्री होगी. Out of these two angles, suppose angle C is equals to 5 degree, then what is angle A? Correct. Angle A is a 90 minus 5 degree, that is 85 degree. If angle C is equals to 10 degree, then what is angle A? Angle A is equals to 90 minus 10 degree, that is equals to 80 degree. Suppose angle C is equals to 20 degree, then angle A is equals to 90 minus 20, that is equals to 70 degree. If angle C is equals to 40 degree, then angle A is a 90 minus 40, that is equals to 50. Such a way, if angle C is equals to theta, if angle C is equals to theta degree, then angle A is equals to 90 minus theta degree. If angle C is a theta, then angle A is equals to 90 minus theta. According to the theta, find all the basic ratios. In the figure, sin theta, we know that sin theta, sin means opposite side upon hypotenuse, means theta's opposite side, that is a AB, upon hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is a 90 opposite side, that is AC, means sin theta equals to AB by AC. Then find cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side of theta upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side of theta is a BC. BC upon hypotenuse is what? AC. Then sin cos tan theta. Then tan theta is equals to, we know that tan theta means opposite side of theta upon adjacent side of theta, means AB upon BC. Sin cos tan cot theta, we know that cot theta means adjacent side of theta upon opposite side of theta, means BC upon AB, or the sin theta is the inverse of tan theta. Sin cos tan cot sec theta, sec theta is equals to hypotenuse 90 opposite side. Which one is 90 opposite side? AC upon adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent side of theta, that is equals to BC. Here sec theta is the inverse of cos theta. Then cosec theta is equals to hypotenuse side opposite to 90. What is the side opposite to 90? AC upon opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta is AB. यानी एक तो ये यूज कर सकते हैं, या तो फिर कोसेक थीटा इज इनवर्स ऑफ साइन थीटा. AB बाय AC, देयर इनवर्स इज AC बाय AB. sec theta is inverse of cos theta is BC by AC, so the sec theta is AC by BC. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta is AB by BC, so the cot theta is equals to BC by AB. जैसे हमने थीटा के सारे वैल्यूज निकाले, थीटा के सारे रेशोज निकाले, उसी टाइप से हमें क्या करना होगा, 90 माइनस थीटा जो है इन द फिगर, विच वन इज अ 90 माइनस थीटा? हियर द एंगल ए इज अ 90 माइनस थीटा. तो एंगल 90 माइनस थीटा के सारे ये 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज फाइंड कीजिए. फर्स्ट रेशो इज साइन 90 माइनस थीटा, साइन 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta means opposite side of 90 minus theta. Opposite side of 90 minus theta, that is BC upon hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? Side opposite to 90 degree, that is AC. Then find the cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means 90 minus theta's adjacent side, that is AB upon hypotenuse. Which one is hypotenuse? AC. Sin cos tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means 90 minus theta's opposite side, that is BC upon 90 minus theta's adjacent side, that is AB. Then sin cos tan cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is what? 90 minus theta's adjacent side, AB upon opposite side of 90 minus theta. This one is a BC. Sin cos tan cot sec 90 minus theta. What is sec 90 minus theta? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a side opposite to 90, that is AC upon adjacent side of 90 minus theta, that is AB. Then sin cos tan cot sec cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta means 90 minus theta's opposite side, that is AC upon opposite side of 90 minus theta. Opposite side of 90 minus theta is a BC. Observe these all six trigonometric ratios. Here cosec theta is a AC by BC. This AC by BC is the inverse of sin 90 minus theta. BC by AC, their inverse is a AC by BC. Sec theta is a AC by AB, and cos theta is a AB by AC. Means sec 90 minus theta is the inverse of cos 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is a AB by BC, and tan 90 minus theta is a BC by AB. Here cot 90 minus theta is inverse of tan 90 minus theta. अब जैसे कि हमने साइन थीटा के सारे 6 रेशोज लिख लिए, वैसे ही साइन 90 माइनस थीटा के सारे 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो लिख लो। अब इन दो कॉलम जो लिखे हैं, एक थीटा का कॉलम है और एक 90 माइनस थीटा का कॉलम है। अब इस दो कॉलम का अगर आप अच्छी तरीके से ऑब्जर्वेशन करोगे तो यहाँ आपको समझ में आएगा साइन थीटा इज अ AB by AC, cos 90 minus theta is a AB by AC, means ratio of sin theta and ratio of cos 90 minus theta both are AB by AC, means sin theta and cos 90 minus theta ये दोनों ही कैसे होंगे? सेम होंगे। वेरी गुड। ये हो गया हमारा पहला फॉर्मूला। पहला फॉर्मूला क्या हो गया? साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू cos 90 माइनस थीटा। इसे हम क्या कह सकते हैं? अगर साइन 5 डिग्री है तो उसे cos 90 माइनस 5 यानी cos 85। अगर साइन 10 डिग्री है तो उसकी वैल्यू होगी cos 90 माइनस 10 cos 80। अगर साइन 1 डिग्री है उसकी वैल्यू होगी cos 90 माइनस 1 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू cos 89। समझ में आया? इसका मतलब क्या होगा? साइन 10 इज इक्वल्स टू cos 80। इज दैट क्लियर? देन अगेन ऑब्जर्व दिस टू कॉलम्स। इन द कॉलम cos theta is a BC by AC and sin 90 minus theta is also BC by AC, means cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. Here the second formula is cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. ओके, उसी तरीके से cos 20 is equals to sin 70, cos 30 is equals to sin 60 degree. Then again observe as the column, first column tan theta is a AB by BC and cot 90 minus theta is a AB by BC, means tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. Third formula is tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. Okay, means tan 70 is equals to cos 20. Tan 90 degree equals to cot 0 degree. Is that clear? Then again observe first column, cot theta is a BC by AB, and tan 90 minus theta is also BC by AB. So the cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. Then fourth formula is cot theta is equals to tan 90 माइनस थीटा. उसी तरीके से आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि सेक थीटा AC by BC, cosec 90 minus theta AC by BC. So the fifth formula is sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta degree. And sixth one is and next formula is cosec theta is AC by AB, and cosec 90 minus theta is AC by AB. So the cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta. ओके, इसी को हम कहते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. इसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल क्यों कहेंगे? क्योंकि थीटा प्लस 90 माइनस थीटा, इनका अगर एडिशन कर दिया तो ये पॉजिटिव थीटा निगेटिव थीटा गेट कैंसिल होके क्या आएगा? 90 बचेगा. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. और इसके मायने क्या है? कोसेक 5 इज इक्वल्स टू सेक 85, sec 10 is equals to cosec 80. If sec is a 20 then tan is a 90 minus 20, that is equals to 70. इसी तरीके से आप ये सब फॉर्मूले अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो. इसे हम कहेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. ओके, इसे आप अच्छी तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड कर लो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.